I'm Q. I work as analyst, and I have chosen the SQL 2016 to expand my knowledge in data analyzing. My tutor is Seth. I find the course is very well structured, and the tutor is very knowledgeable, and everything is easy and to understand. It's very logical, so I would definitely recommend this course to anyone who is interested in data analyzing.